Urgency is not a default state of biology. Nervous systems evolved primarily for episodic threat, not chronic internal pressure. Action rose from immediate cues and settled when the moment passed. What we experience as urgency often comes from compression and anticipation. Rhythm, not rushing, was the original regulator. And so, here are 9 signs early nervous systems lived without urgency. 1. Cue-led activation. Early nervous systems activated mainly through sensory brainstem and spinal circuits. Sustained future simulation that fuels urgency required later cortical expansion. 2. Energy-saving default. Organisms conserved energy when no immediate demand existed. Stillness functioned as regulation, not failure. 3. Episodic threat response. Threat detection systems mobilized briefly and then stood down. Chronic activation was not the baseline design. Paced locomotion. Most movement followed energetically efficient speeds, governed by musculoskeletal feedback. Sprinting occurred briefly, not continuously. Protected digestion windows. Parasympathetic activity supported feeding and digestion when conditions were secure. Chronic vigilance, not eating itself, disrupts digestion. Recovery as necessity. Sleep and rest supported neural repair and metabolic balance. Recovery expanded whenever safety allowed. Limited abstract forecasting. Early neural architectures had minimal prefrontal involvement in symbolic future replay. Attention stayed closer to current conditions. 8. Rhythmic social synchrony. Group behavior synchronized through shared sensory and motor entrainment. Coordination emerged without artificial deadlines. Lower baseline arousal in safety. When environments were secure, autonomic tone returned toward parasympathetic dominance. Calm was baseline, not earned. And so we realize urgency is an adaptation, not an identity. Biology was designed for moments, not nonstop pressure. Chronic rushing reflects compressed environments. Rhythm remains the original coordinator. So we ask ourselves, what trained my body to stay activated? Where do I confuse timing with pressure? What changes when threat becomes episodic again? How can rhythm return inside responsibility? Life can move quickly without living rushed. The body was built to surge, then settle. Compression taught urgency to linger past the moment. And you are the sacred intelligence that can restore rhythm within real life.